guys, my name is Jalen, and today we're going to be presenting my dog's rock addiction. He has been obsessing over rocks for many years now and is starting to get very old. We will continue with more shots of him digging up rocks and digging in the dirt. Now, he has been obsessing over these things for many years, like I've said in the first shot. He has been loving and caring and bringing rocks in our house. But what are we going to do to stop these? I am here today to try to stop Wolfie's rock addiction. Here are some more shots continued. See the rock? And that he will be leaving with his rock. Okay, now we are back at his home, in his owner's home. Let's see how many rocks we can find in the front room. Let's count, okay? Here is the little school, we can call it, of rocks. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's move over here. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That is almost about 20 rocks that we have found in this. And it is very it's really hurts their owner to have to pick up these rocks every week.